Hi, it's Candy Photography. This is Kerri.
Hi.
Androgynous.
Alternative and androgynous, yeah.
I'll put the links for Instagram below. You might remember from other shoots done, but we're just doing a quick session here because the girl's been working really hard on her body and we're going to do some arty stuff. And I thought it was a great time to show you how the Omni Filter can be used in the studio. So I'll just do it's a single light setup over top, gridded. And then this is my secret weapon, a bit of Perspex hung with some spray on it. It's got a bit of glycerine in it, this bit, on this thing, and then some water to make it look like drops. But if you ever look now, look at Kerri there. Ah, see? So we're going to do the Omni Filter. Another grungier element to it. So other than using the Perspex behind me, which you can see has got scratches, marks and some water droplets, I've been using the Omni Filters, which is this one, which is the stretch glass, as you can see what it's doing to my face. I also did the Crystal Seahorse, which is this one, which gives this great bokeh depending on how you use it, and also some reflections. And the rainbow thing, this is this one, which is probably help if I could do it better, wouldn't it? This isn't the I don't think you can see it. You can just see it there. Look, there's the rainbow. Oh, that is the worst demonstration of that you'll ever see. Omni Filters, you can get them in the UK from Wex, or you can go to Lensbaby. I guess I'll put the links below. Anyway, bye. So we've just done some with it face forward, but now I'm going to put a bit of separation light between Kerri and get some flare, hopefully.